Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment.
Good morning, it is the 19th of May, miserable wet day out there. We've got 3 little kids at home today, still a bit sick to go to school, and Kira at home today. So it's going to be a day of inside jobs and entertaining kids today. Unless this weather clears up dramatically. The weather forecast said 2 o'clock this was supposed to get here. Not even 9 o'clock and the rain's already here. So I think it's going to be one of those days today. We'll just see what the weather does and go from there.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, all the moment of truth in your life.
But it's not warming up today. I think I might light the fire while Leonie's down feeding the chooks. Get some wood in, get some kindling, and get this fire going. Keep this house warm today, because it ain't going to warm up at all, I don't think. Right, this is going.
Green's my planet. Can I feel? I wanna feel.
Well, that'll keep you kids busy on this miserable day though, won't it? Well, what do you want to show me, Finn?
Mum, will you remember me tomorrow?
Will I remember you tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah.
Will you remember me in 1,000 days?
Will I remember you in 1,000
Will
days?
you remember me in 1,000 days?
Yeah.
The clock.
What do you want?
Right, time to start sorting this shed out a little bit. This one's going to the other shed so we can put it on the stand, take the wheels off and get the new tyres on it.
When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Well, it's a bit of a start. I think it's lunchtime from what I've been told. We'll head in and see what's happening. Oh, good timing. Lunchtime.
Yeah. This is the first time we've had this.
Does it taste like chicken?
No, it tastes like normal mac and cheese, and it tastes like Play-Doh.
You're eating mac and cheese Play-Doh.
Yeah, it tastes like that.
Right, do you want a coffee?
Oh, none is for coffee.
He's got it without the sauce because he's weird.
Can I have some more?
No, that's it. Yeah, a banana or an apple.
Oh, no, biscuit or
No, you
chocolate.
need some fruit.
Mama, this was the new way I made on fins, and this is the other new way I made on fins.
Ah.
Like this. Go my new way that way.
How long have you been
Never
playing
knew
with
it.
Play-Doh for? Ages.
Yeah.
Stopped for a lunch break and then back into it.
Yeah.
What have we got growing here, mother?
I'll make a workout.
Oh, you made some weights.
I will. With two fingers.
Well, not very heavy ones.
Easy.
Well, I'm going back out to the shed to do my sorting out. Still working on that garden.
Yeah, I've got some more of these plants off Mum. Carry those on.
Oh, yep.
A lot of them didn't survive that I planted in originally. It'll be 2 minutes.
Oh, yep. I've got to get started over here. Perfect. I think I might just put the chainsaw shelf here.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna wait there?
Yeah, because then there's room for another bike to go here. The handlebar can go out that way a little bit if we have to. Slowly getting there.
Shouldn't be too long, there's not that much weeds.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made.
Is that all you said? Is that all you heard?
Yep.
I just want you to know who I am.
Where's Mum? Is she out the front garden?
Yep. At the back of the house.
How are we doing over this side? My battery was flat on the other DJI, so. Must be a cup of coffee time while I transfer some footage before I go pick Riley up.
Yeah. I just finished pruning this.
Because I'm getting thirsty.
Yeah, so am I.
Right, 10 to 4. I'll just do a battery swap and then go and pick up Riley from the bus. He was the only kid that went to school today. Everyone else was still a bit sick. We've lost our sunshine now. It's starting to cloud over.
'Cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I
Don't think so.